What's up, guys? I'm doing my trade recap a little too late, but I hope we can still get through the day on the Friday. So we had obvious draws on that day. We had low resistance liquidity within London session low on this session here, and Asia session on that, and these are like equal hellos. And yeah, we made also an SMT of that highs, I think. Wait, let's see. Um, oops. Wait, but we made so weird. Yeah, Lawrence. Damn. Alright. Yeah. So this we had this 5 minute or whatever SMT, and from there I was like easy shorts for the day, And yeah, let me put this away. Get it from this high. Yeah, Nasdaq was a lagging index on a trade. We hit it. Okay, guys, I'm trying to be as transparent as it gets. I traded, so I entered like ooh here. My stop loss was here. Last TP here. I got out right at break even. Why? I was like, I think, so I was scared, and I know we wanted to go like to this lows, but I just wasn't patient enough. I traded right after distribution. Um, what I should do is wait for like obvious, or like not like obvious candles, but like obvious confirmation, like obvious entries, obvious candles. So this is not obvious if we go high and I just enter to get a better entry. Yeah, I should just like wait for the good entry, you know not a brain rot entry, like to get a good R, or at least a 1-to-1. But I got out at break even, and I wanted to trade again. I didn't, because this would have been the trade. Like, we passed the 79% extension. Why I waited for this is because these cannons are way too tied up. So I just use this as a breaker structure. And yeah, we closed underneath that at 940 or 945. And then, this way. Oh, let's go with 5 minutes again. And then we made equilibrium, or we came into this equilibrium level perfectly. Let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute. What did we got? Bang. Yeah. And I did just found the entry again. So, but yeah, at least on Nasdaq, on S&P. So S&P I didn't trade, but bro, this was so close. Damn, my stop loss was like here, somewhere like here, and yeah, just like Nasdaq, we had little low resistance liquidity. This Asia low. Let me mark that out. Asia low. Then this high time frame. Again, low resistance liquidity. So low time frame, low resistance liquidity to London session, then high time frame, low resistance liquidity to at Asia session before that. And we swapped all of those, and I made like $80. I don't know, or 70, because I took profit. I should have made more. I should have risked more, not gonna lie. Because the draws were obvious, but so this was S&P, and we had news on that day. We had a consumer sentiment on 4 p.m. Yeah, or 10 a.m. But I didn't wait for that. I would have been like somewhere like in here, but yeah. So let's see. Yeah, we made this SMT. Then we came down. Wait. Alright. And then we kind of like accumulated right here and manipulated up, distributed right underneath that fair value gap, and that's where I got my entry, like somewhere this week, right? Yeah. Yeah. First TP was, I think, actually this low or London session low. Yeah, London session low or this low, then this, and then all of those lows. So last TP here. But yeah, this was my trade. Bad price action, not gonna lie. Bad price action, but obvious draw. So I'm gonna take this trade and I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have 4% on the account. Man, we cooking. Y'all have to look like my my um my trades like months ago, like how I traded and how I trade right now, and how I was like up or down on the month. But now we like 2.4% on a month up. We're cooking. All for the glory of God, of Christ. But yeah, so we done. Easy trade recap, easy day, easy draws, playbook. Oh, it wasn't like playbook, but it was like easy. So SMT, 5 minute confluence, inverse fair value gap, bang, you should have been like somewhere like in here. But tight ass liquidity. So no trades on Nasdaq, S&P, S&P, SMT. Then we came up, we manipulated, we accumulated, manipulated, distributed, got in like at this candle in playbook. Then maybe this was actually yeah, this might have been. Wait, so we got a break of structure on that candle on the 45. Then we had equilibrium from the high to this low. Let me put this away and go to 1 minute. Where's 45? Alright. Bro, like, this is the strat. Breakout structure, 5 minute confluence. 5 minute breakout structure, 5 minute confluence. We came to the equilibrium. Then out of this equilibrium level on the 5 minute, we invest both gaps. So this tiny ass, whatever this was, we invest this gap, plus we got a breakout structure on the 1 minute after the equilibrium level. And in, like in, all right? And target those lows. Easy. Yeah. I hope you all enjoyed that. Tomorrow's market open. Let's see how it will be open. Wish me luck. Jesus loves you. And peace out.